Hello, how are you? My name is Michelle Alejandra Rivera Gonzalez, and I'm studying industrial automation engineering. And this video, I'm going to explain in a clear and simple way what von Neumann architecture is, which is one of the most important concepts in computing. This topic is a part of the fundamentals of computer course, and it helps us understand how computers work at a basic level. First, we will see a brief introduction, then the main components of the system, how the instruction circle works, the volume and bottleneck, and finally a comparison with another architecture. So let's go start it. The von Neumann architecture was proposed in 1945 by John von Neumann. Basically, this model establishes the foundation of modern computing, and it is still used in the most computer systems today. One of its most important ideas is that both data and instructions are stored in the same memory. This made computers more flexible and easier to program. Now, let's look at the main components. First, we have the CPU, which acts as a brain of the system, since it executes all the instruction. Inside it, we have the halo, which perform arithmetic and logical operation. We also have a memory where data and instruction are stored. And finally, the input and output units, which allow interaction between the user and the computer. Cycle. For all of this to work, there is something called the instruction cycle. First, the computer fetches an instruction from memory, then it decodes it to understand what to do after that. It executes the instruction. And finally, it stores the result. The process repeats continuously, and it is what allows the computer to operate step by step. However, this architecture has an important limitations. Now has the von Neumann bottleneck. This happens because there is only one channel used to transfer both data and instruction. As a result, the system has to wait, which reduces performance. Nowadays, new technologies are being deployed to improve this limitation and increase efficiency. Now, if we compare it with the Harvard architecture, the main difference is that Harvard used two separate channels, one for data and one for instructions. This allows both to be accessed at the same time, improving performance. Today, many modern systems use hybrid architecture to take advantage of both models. And that's a general explanation of the von Neumann architecture. I hope this helped you better understand how computer works. And nothing. And thank you so much for watching.